Hey guys, today is November the 1st of 2015. I want to go over the euro dollar using price and time technical analysis. So please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. Okay, we start out with our commitments of trader report, and I just wanted to show you the big picture where money flows in regards to commercial and large speculators. As you can remember, right here, where's my little, this is where May 8th of 2014, we got that sell-off, and it's been continuing down ever since. You can see right here that commercial started hedging the euro going long, and large speculators were shorting. You can see that retail was doing the same thing at a lesser volume, but the big money was shorting it. And somewhere around here, March 13th, we put a low, and now you could do a trend line. We cracked it, and we had a little wedge. So you can see if we get closer, large speculators are selling again, and commercial are hedging. It looks like retail are selling off too. So that's where the money is heading. Let's look at the chart and see what's reflecting. This is the weekly. These are monthly pivots. So you can see that 91.5 is a strong support. We hit that last week and bounced off. Right now this is a week, so this is real time. And you can see this wedge or trend line. It failed it and tried to get up there but failed. So let's see now. You can see that this is a doji on decision. We win the bulls and the bears. Where are we going to go? We're going higher. We're going to get back in this channel or in this wedge and figure out we're going to go higher, or the bears are we're going to push lower and try to break through this support right here. And when I say monthly pivots, these are monthly pivots, like going 20 years back. So they're levels that are there that traders and other traders see. If we add our indicator, you can see what else is popping up. You can see that we're below the cloud. We're lost the value area, or the point of control, sorry, at 11,233. You're below the 20. You fail the 50 here. You fail the 50 here. Here. You fail the 50 here. You fail the 50 here, and that's it. So this will be the levels to watch this week right here. That 0915. If we could get down there, hopefully support. If not, it's probably going to go down to 10791. If we pop and get back on this trend line, we're going to have to deal with that 20, which is that 1135. Once we get in there, deal with the 50 again, and deal with this massive cloud that we got to deal with. Looking at the daily, you can see that we're finding support at the 12.5% level, and we got a nice little pop here, but we got the value area low, which is at 1059. Well, let's see if we could get above it. But if it can't get above that, that would be your resistance. It'll push lower, and this will probably be your support between that 0932 all the way to that 0903. You can see that it's been chopping around up and down. It's been in a range, and finally it broke through, but it haven't broken through with momentum. So let's see. I'm surprised it just held there. I was expecting maybe more force, but you can see that it found support here, and buyers came in. Who's buying the euro? I don't know, but somebody is. Let's look at this a little more. This could be a nice little buying opportunity if we could get a little positive here. We're kind of sideways. It's early right now, but if we got a signal here, looks like got a little pullback, but this could turn around to Tuesday. You get a signal going up here. It's still weak though, because you got the 50 on this bearish level right here, so it could be a little head fake and then maybe push lower. But looking at this, you can see that large speculators they're short. So maybe this week it could be just a bunch of head fakes and maybe push lower. I'm waiting for this to catch up. Maybe not, but I'll come back to it. So it could probably pop up here, do a little head fake, and maybe shoot lower. But you know, price is always going to channel, so I wouldn't be surprised if it goes up here, maybe here or here, and then maybe push lower and then take that out and continue. Let's look at the big picture, see what we got. You can see that it was chopping around here, pierced this what's this level? It's the 75% right here. And it looks like now buyers are coming in to maybe push this higher. You got to deal with the 200 simple moving average right there, 1005, the 100, and you got the 50 and the 20. So there's a lot of resistance above. The bulls are going to have, you know, they're going to have to deal with all these resistance levels right here on the daily. On the 12-hour, you can see some, you know, momentum trying to go up, but looking at all this, it's going to look hard. You got this 50% level right here. You got the 20. You got the 200. You got the 50. Linear regression channel. You got PPS sell signal. A couple of things showing here, but this could probably be retail. Wait till the big boys come in, and maybe they can slam this. You can see that we've just been failing the 50 here. PPS sell signal. So this is more dominating than this. This could just be a retrace up, and then it's going to push lower and take this out. And you can see right here doji on decision and 15 to 20, and you got a squeeze play set up, and it looks at the pressures to the downside. So if you're a bull, I'll be cautious. A lot of stuff is lining up against you here, so it'll be interesting. This is about to pop to the downside, and the pressure's building, and you can see it right here. So monthly, look at this whole month. Look at this thing here. Look at all these months. It's monthly. Look how the side action has been gone. And now we're like here, and we could just probably chop around here, or maybe be done with this chop and just push lower. So let's see how that's going to pan out. Hopefully this helped, and I'll keep you posted.